Hello and welcome back to this JAMB series. Now we'll be talking about question 15. This question has to do with logarithm. Now it says that find the value of y if log y plus 8 plus log y minus 8 is equal to 2 log 3 plus 2 log 5. Now, when you find this kind of question, or when you see this kind of question, what they're asking you to find is the value of y. So, you can see, look at this logarithm. All of them are in base 10. Once you do not see any base, simply means they are in base 10. Automatically, you say that they are in base 10. You can see it here. There is no base, so it is base 10. Now, logarithm laws. Logarithm has its own law. And then you can see that this is addition. That means if you apply addition law in logarithm, it states that when two logarithms that are in the same base are adding themselves, their values will multiply each other. Like this will multiply this, right? So, first of all, you know this is an equation because this side is the left-hand side, while this side is the right-hand side. So let's solve the left-hand side first. Let's solve the left-hand side. So for the left-hand side, the solution for the left-hand side is the left-hand side. So let's solve for the left-hand side first. So left-hand side is log, open bracket, y plus 8, close bracket, plus log, open bracket, y minus 8, right? This is what is in the left-hand side. Now, this is equal to, since both of them have they are in the same log, just write one, see, log, right? Then this will multiply this. Open bracket, y plus 8, open bracket, y minus 8. Now this will be equal to log. Then you open this bracket. You open the bracket. Now, y times y will give me y squared. Y times minus 8 will give me minus 8y. Plus 8 times y will give me plus 8y. Then plus times minus is minus. Then 8 times 8 is 64. Right? So this is, close the bracket. And this is equal to log. This is y squared. Then minus 8y plus 8y is equal to 0. So what we are left is minus 64. So this is for the left-hand side. So we have simplified the left-hand side. Now let's move to the right-hand side. Now, for the right-hand side, which is this, write out the question. 2 log 3 plus 2 log 5. Now, you can see that this is addition. They're adding themselves. Now, according to the rules of logarithm, if you have a number multiplying a log, that number will be, this 3 will be raised to the power is 2, while this 5 will be raised to the power of this 2. Because this 2 is multiplying this log, this 3 will raise to the power 2, and this 5 raised to the power 2. Now, how do we do it? And remember, this is addition. But first of all, let's find this first. See, log. It will not be log 3 raised to the power 2 plus log 5 raised to the power 2, which is equal to 3 raised to the power 2 is 3 times 3, which is 9. 9 plus 5 raised to the power 2 is 5 times 5, which is 25. So you say log 25. Then here you still apply that rule that you did here. Since they're adding themselves, this will multiply themselves. So this will be equal to log, open bracket, 9 times 5. 9 times 25. So 9 multiplied by 25 will give us 225. To give us 225. So this is equal to log 225. Right? Now this is the left hand side, while this is the right hand side. Now we bring them together. So this implies that what we have together is log, open bracket, y squared minus 64. If you close the bracket, it's equal to this one, log 225. Now if you look at these two questions, if you look at the left hand side, right hand side, they have something in common, which is log, right? So cancel out log, because what you're looking for is y. So whatever you can do to get y, that's what you're going to be doing to it. So you divide both sides by log. So when you divide this side by log, divide this side by log. This cancel this cancel this. You are left with y squared minus 64 equals 225. Now, remember we're looking for y. So this, you add 64 to both sides. When you add 64 to here, minus 64 plus 64 is 0. Why are we adding 64 to both sides? So that we can be able to remove this very 64 here. Because if I add 64 to this side, this one will become 0. So here will be y squared equal to 225 plus 64. So y squared is equal to 225 plus 64. Gives me 289. 289. And you take the square root of both sides, because this is square. Because what you're looking for is y, not y square. Right? Since we have this square here, we need to eliminate the square. And to eliminate the square, we need to use square root. Now you take the square root of both sides. So square root of y squared equals to square root of 289. Now this square cancels this square root. This is the main purpose why we are using square root, because the square will cancel square root. So that we have y equal to, now what is this? What is the square root of 289? The square root of 289, square root of 289 is 17. Is 17. So our answer is 17. So if you look at it now, you see that this very math is very simple. So now I believe you enjoy this class. If you enjoy this class, please make sure you like this video, share with those that will need this kind of video. Thank you very much.